Another common infrastructure mistake, I think that is very, very um, not spoken about, very underrated, is power.
Yes.
But power and grounding, and I think is something that is such an afterthought.
It's we're talking about planning and speaking to the right people at the right time before you're doing your integration, your production, or whatever. Um, the amount of times where you show up to a venue and the circuits are being shared with the
Hair
guy that
dryer.
with the warmer plates, or the guy turns on his vacuum, or even like larger loads like sharing with an elevator, for example, whatever it may be. But you'd be surprised at how dirty power could be in all these venues, especially when they've undergone lots of renovations. They try to save a quick buck somewhere. Like, unfortunately, after too many mistakes or issues, now I go with a circuit tester everywhere, and I
Oh yeah.
find out, which circuits are where, even though some of them are labeled and they're labeled improperly, or you'd be surprised. So uh, you just got to pre-plan and plan for the worst as well, right? And the days of pulling out the ground plug on your Edison plug, not a good idea anymore, right? Like, the equipment is so sensitive nowadays. But now we've got some pretty cool equipment where you can do like ground lifts and stuff like that to reduce the humming noise.
Yeah.
But people think, oh, it's my speakers, or it's this, or it's that. And, back to that podcast, it's often not the gear, it's the power that's causing all these
Yeah.
these little issues, right? So power planning is very, very, and sometimes, because you're a temporary visitor to that venue or that location, you don't have as much control as you'd like. So you have to make the best of the situation. But there are ways to remedy it, making sure you have the power conditioners or surge protectors everywhere. So it's definitely very, very important.